I'm probably going to regret this, but this needs to be half of what it is. Since I've been doing my looking where I get sun experiment today, I realized there's a lot of sun that goes on behind this big bush. I like it, but it's kind of outgrown a little bit its place. I'm going to do a hard prune. They say you're supposed to do it in late winter. This is kind of late winter or early spring. But I'm going to be gone for the next few weekends, and I probably won't really even get to it until maybe March. So I'm going to do that. I have a little helper here. Hi. And so let's get started. Done. It doesn't look great, but it's going to look better than it was, I think, once it fills out a little bit. Yeah, first wonderful day. Cheers, cup of coffee. Sitting in my, what I only know is a Strandkorb, which means basically a beach basket in German, and just enjoying a few rays of sunshine. So at least I have something outside to show you in the garden. I think it should be all right back there because I did leave enough leaves on to photosynthesize. I know I cut half of it back, but I think from all the websites that they say, hard pruning, the evergreen, Euonymus, or however you say it, are okay to prune back hard to the shape that you want them. And I will kind of try to keep it tidier now. Now I can reach over it without getting a step ladder or anything. And I can shape it maybe into a little topiary thing. And it's still okay for the wildlife. Birds can still go on it, in it. And there's plenty of other places in my garden that they can go. Come up here. Come up here. Yeah, there we go. It's Roccoletta. Rockabottom. Rocky, rocky, rocky. Yes, now I'm all full of cat hair. So, happy gardening, YouTube, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, she just jumped down to subscribe. All right, take care.